Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be whipping up something special, tomato mushroom dough soup. Let's dive in. Firstly, finely chop some green onions, keeping the white and green parts separate. Now, blanch those vibrant tomatoes in boiling water, peel them, and cut them into delightful little pieces. Next, prepare baby bok choy by washing and cutting them into small bite-sized segments. For the eggs, beat them into a smooth liquid. In a bowl, gradually add water to the flour, stirring in one consistent direction with chopsticks until the flour forms small granules without any dry powder. Then knead it into a small lovely dough. Roll that dough into charming little balls. Heat up a pan, add a touch of oil, and saute the white part of the green onions until they release their delightful fragrance. Now, toss in the tomatoes, stir-frying them to perfection. It's time to introduce shiitake mushroom slices, baby bok choy, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce into the mix. Stir it all up evenly. Pour in water and bring it to a gentle boil. Add those adorable little dough balls, stir gently to prevent any sticking, and gracefully pour in the beaten egg liquid. As the egg begins to gently solidify, season with a pinch of salt and some chopped green onions for that perfect taste. Give it a good stir and it's ready to be served. Simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. And there you have it, our delightful tomato mushroom dough soup. Give it a try and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.